Hi, Brittany Beckers from Exit Realty and the Wrigley team. I'm so excited to introduce you to my newest listing located at 2002 Yorks Corners Road. This property is located on a 2.8 acre lot and is bordered by mature trees and a small creek. You're gonna love the wraparound porch. Let's go check out what this beautiful country home has to offer. The heart of the home is in the kitchen, and this one's no different. This kitchen features beautiful cabinets, gorgeous backsplash, and a large kitchen island for all those home-cooked meals. Your large living room is topped off by this warm and cozy stone fireplace, making it the perfect place to relax. Not only do you have 3 spacious bedrooms on the second level, you also have this huge master bedroom with the spa-like ensuite. As you can see, this home boasts pride of ownership throughout. To see what country living's all about, contact me today.